Hello friends, today I will let you know how to install Docker on your Ubuntu machine. So for that you need to open any of the web browser. I'm opening Firefox for that. Now enter the URL https get.docker.com and you will see this page where there is an easy installation of Docker. So you need to copy this command and then type in the terminal. And hit enter. So curl not found could be installed with sudo apt install curl. First I need to install curl. Yes. Curl has been installed. It's time for pasting that script again and hit enter. So let us check whether file is installed or not. So we'll get the file or the script file get.docker.sh. Now we have to run this script file for easy installation. Yeah, I'm being very impatient and wanted this script to run as fast as it could. Script file has done its thing. It's time for us to see that there is a note that is given that if you would like to use the Docker as a non-root user, you should now consider adding your user to the Docker group. We need to use this command in order to add this user. My name is Manjeet and hence I've created the user with Manjeet, and that user needs to be added to the Docker group. Let me write it. Adding to the Docker group. It could be for any of the user. If you want all of the users, then you can write $, square bracket user, square bracket close. So I'm writing Manjeet only. And now I will check whether it's added or not. So yes. No, I'm not added to a Docker group. So what I need to do is I would write sudo usermod a capital G to Docker small Docker $user, and now I will check again. I don't see a Docker group. Let me check by running in command of Docker. Got permission denied while trying to connect to Docker domain. Permission denied. So I think that I'm not added to the Docker group. So we have tried adding Munshi to the Docker group, but it hasn't. The solution being we need to log out first and then log in again in order to take the effect. So what we have to do, we have to close this terminal and then we need to switch off or shut down our system back again. So now I'm restarting my VM. Opening up the terminal and then typing in ID -n capital G, and then you will get to know that Manjeet is added to the Docker group, and hence after the successful addition you can type in Docker version to know which version of Docker is installed on your machine. So that's all about how to install your Docker on your Ubuntu machine. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe.